afternoon, everyone. I hope you all are good and doing well. So, what we have in our today, like what we have in our story in today's class. So, in today's class, we will be basically doing questions, and those questions we will be doing on topics what and what electric potential and capacitance. Done. So, we will be basically covering whatever we have studied in potential topic potential because of system of charges or a single charge, and then on capacitor. Done. So let's get started with the very first question. Done. So question discussion on two topics. So the very first question is there on your screen. Now you can see it. Done. So for this question, again, I'm going to give you some okay, I would love to wait for 1 more minute because people are still joining. So let's wait for 1 minute. Okay. उसके बाद we will jump on to the question. Done. Hi, Janvi Rajkot. How is everyone? How is your classes going on and how is your studies going on? And on the top of everything, आप सब कैसे? Yes. I hope great. अच्छा, ये सही है. Everyone should be great. And no tension, no worries, only work. That is all in our hand now. So let's work and stay free of all worries. That's the only medicine of staying free and happy. है ना? Chalo. So let's not wait for some more minutes. है ना? We are already running out of time. So let's get started. Questions basically today in the class, we are going to cover electric potential, questions on electric potential, and questions on capacitance. How we will be solving the question? I will be giving you questions, and on the screen, you will get the question. I will be giving you certain amount of time for solving the question. And in that certain amount of time, what you have to do, you have to actually attempt the question. And after that, I will be explaining the solution in detail. Done. Whatever concept is coming, I will explain that. And then we will jump on to the next question. Okay? So, chalo, let's get started. Till now, we have two JNVs here, JNV Rajkot and Kola. So, chalo, first question is there on your screen. I'm giving you 2 minutes for this. So, everyone, please attempt this question. And if it is possible, तो आप अपना video on कर दो. If your network is allowing this thing to happen, so please turn on your videos so that we can stay more connected, है ना? So that we can just have a look at the classes और थोड़ा अच्छा feel होगा. Done? तो चलो क्वेश्चन करो. JNB Ahmednagar. Hi, hello, welcome. Please try joining on time, yeah, please. What you need to do in the question? I hope आप सबको question समझ में आ रहा है. So there is a charge Q that is uniformly distributed over the rod given here. That rod is AB. Done. And because of charge uniformly distributed on the rod AB, you have to calculate potential at the point O. Done. Clear है? So this topic you all must have studied in your classroom, है ना? Your teachers must have taught this. Janvi Akola. Okay. Hi, hello. Try joining on time, please. Done. So, anyone got the answer? Janvi, Rajkot, Kolhapur, since you were connected since last 3 or 4 minutes. So let me know the answer if you have got it. Okay, done. Let's do it. So you all must have studied one thing, potential. So potential because of point charges, you all must have studied. Suppose there is a point charge Q and you have to calculate potential at certain distance X. Just look at the questions carefully. Don't think like you can't do it. Okay. And don't think like what I'm explaining, you won't be able to understand because I will explain in a very layman term. I will explain from the start. Okay. So try to concentrate in the class. Don't feel like you're not going to get whatever I'm teaching. Done? So देखो यहाँ पे because of point charge at a distance x, we can calculate potential. Formula is there, and that is kq by x. But here the problem is that there is no point charge. Rather, the charge is distributed over this rod. So it is positively charged, and this rod has a length of L, and charge given to it is Q. So basically here, charge per unit length that I also have discussed in weekend classes, charge per unit length is denoted as lambda, that is linear charge density. So here linear charge density is Q by L. Now what we have to do is we have to calculate potential because of this rod at this point. And this point is at a distance of L from here. And so this distance of this point from the end of rod will be 2L. Okay. So we have to calculate potential here because of the rod. What we will do now, we have formula because of point charge. So we can cut this rod. जैसे ये rod जो है, इसको हम लोग बहुत ही छोटे-छोटे parts में अगर cut करें, if you're going to cut it into small parts, then what you can see that in this small part of the rod or this small part of rod will act as a point charge, है ना? So let's take a point element. Suppose karo, I have taken a small element from this rod and its length is dx and its distance from the point, suppose it's x. So potential because of this small element, that is small potential dv I am telling, because of this small element will be how much? Formula rakho, k into charge on this small element. What will be the value of charge on this small element? Length of this small element is dx, charge per unit length is lambda. So charge of this element will be lambda dx divided by, so k into charge on this element divided by distance likhoge, distance is x. So potential because of this small element is this much. We have to calculate potential because of the whole rod. तो क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे whole के लिए निकालना है, तो we will simply integrate. तो आप इसको integrate कर दो. So dv का integration will be v. Here k is constant, lambda is constant, dx by x. Sorry, इसको dv लिखो. So potential value from where to where? From here to here we can take element. Done. Because we have to calculate potential because of the whole rod. So we will take elements such that it will cover whole rod. Yani ki we will start taking element from here and we will take element up to here. It means we will start from how much distance? From L, and we will go up to how much distance? 2L. So x will vary from L to 2L. Now you can easily solve this integration, है ना? dv का integration v हो जाएगा और k lambda. You all know that integration of dx by x is how much? This will become ln x. ln x, L to L. If you're going to put the values inside, you will get k lambda ln 2L minus ln L. Again, you all know the formula that ln A minus ln B is equal to how much? It is written as ln A by B. So यहाँ पे अगर मैं formula use करूँ ln A minus ln B is equal to how much? ln A by B. So let's use this formula and write the answer. तो अगर आप आंसर लिखोगे तो क्या लिखोगे? K lambda ln 2 by 2l by L यानी कि ln 2. So answer will be K lambda ln 2. Now simply lambda की जगह आप क्या रखोगे? Q by L, and in place of K you can write 1 upon 4 pi epsilon. So then you will be getting the answer. So what answer you are going to get? क्या आंसर मिलेगा हमें? D आंसर मिलेगा. K lambda ln 2 था ना, K को आप लिख लो 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Lambda is Q by L. So this is this. यानी कि Q by 4 pi epsilon naught L ln 2. So Q by Q ln 2 by 4 pi epsilon naught L. यानी कि D will be the correct answer. Now some of you have joined just now and they are Aurangabad, I guess, and JNB Simoga. Why Simoga? Girls. Why this much late यार? देखो attendance लगाना is not important. Important thing is trying to learn something out of every class. That is very much important. आप class में please इसलिए मत आओ क्योंकि your administration or the people over there are just forcing you to go into the class. तो आना ही पड़ेगा, वो मैं समझ रही हूँ. But if you are coming, then try taking benefit of the class. So try coming on time. That should happen. JNB, Hyderabad, Vizag, क्या हो गया? आप तो टाइम पे होते थे, आज लेट हो गए तुम सब. This should not happen. So next question is on your screen. Again, I'm going to give you 2 minutes. So take 2 minutes of your time and solve it. ठीक है? So करो. Read the question carefully. Take some 30 seconds to read the question carefully. Don't hurry into solving it. Do read it and after that apply the concept whatever you know. चलो अब करो और जिसको भी doubt हो they can let me know through the chat section. Okay, you can text me or also you can ask me to unmute. I will do that. You can raise your hands. Anything you can do. This is a question from the concept of potential energy of system of charges. Let me tell you, question is very easy. CBSE level question is it? ठीक है? So everyone please do try. And do send me the answer if you're getting. Anyone who got the answer? Yeah, calculation is also not lengthy. You just need to apply the concept. Let me know through the chat section how many of you are getting the answer. If possible, turn on your videos, please. No one got the answer. आप सब स्कूल में पढ़ चुके हो ना? Okay, okay, okay. No worries, no worries. Let's do the question. So what the question is, there are three charges, Q plus Q plus Q, are placed at the vertices of a right angle triangle, which is an isosceles triangle as shown. The net electrostatic energy of the configuration is zero. This configuration has how much energy? Zero. Then we have to find out what is the value of Q. What will be the value of Q in that sense? Yes, JNB Bhavnagar. Very good. Correct answer you're getting. Thank you. So how we calculate energy of a system of charges? Just you must have studied. Suppose kar lo, there is a triangle, and on this triangle three charges are kept. How you calculate energy of the configuration? You just take pairs and calculate their potential energy. Jaise, if there are two charges, two charge system separated by separation R, then their energy is written as how much? Potential energy K Q1 Q2 by R. Then this is the potential energy of two charge system. If there are three charge system, four charge system, or five, how we calculate the potential energy of the system? So we take all the pairs. जैसे यहाँ पे pairs कैसे बन सकते हैं? There are three charges. So pair can be between 1 and 2, 1 and 3. So पहले 1 का सबके साथ बना लो, 1 का 2 के साथ, 1 का 3 के साथ. Then go on to 2. So make pair of 2. 2 का 1 के साथ, 2 का 3 के साथ. So 2 का 1 के साथ already पहले बन चुका है. We have already done that, है ना? Just now we did. जैसे 1 का पेयर में बना रही हूँ. So that we can do K Q1 Q2 by, if this distance is R1, this is R2, this is R3. So you can write R1 again plus one more pair, 1 will form with 3 K Q1 Q3 by R2. Now if you go on 2, so 2 will form pair with 1 and 3. So 2 का 1 के साथ pair we have already formed. This is done. So make the pair of 2 with 3. So this will become K Q2 Q3 by R3. Is there any pair left now? No. No pairing, no extra pairing now you can do. So total potential energy of the system of these three charges will be this. Similarly for 4 you can do. है ना? Done. So that's the method. Here also three charge system is there. So just calculate the potential energy of the system. So potential energy, if this is A, then this distance will be root 2A. So potential energy of this system will be how much? K Q Q by A plus I am forming pair of this Q with these two charges. So K Q Q by root 2A plus now these two will form a pair. है ना? So K Q Q by A, and this is equal to how much? 0. This is equal to 0. Equate it to 0 and you will get the answer. So यहाँ से if you see what is common in all, that is K Q by A. Small K Q by A is common. Take that as common. So then you will get Q plus Q by root 2 plus Q, and that is equal to 0. So here you can see that Q 1 plus 1 by root 2 is equal to minus Q. So you have to calculate what? Q. Value of Q will be how much? It will be equal to minus root 2Q by 1 plus root 2. That is going to be the answer. So correct answer will be B. Nothing you needed to do. You simply needed to write the energy of configuration. And such questions you must have encountered in your NCERT text. Okay. So chalo ab ye question karo. This question you can do in 1 minute, but still I'm giving you 2 minutes. Do this, please, everyone. When I give time, it's not the time of relaxation. It's the time of solving the question. Do read question, do try it. Even if you're not solving, not able to get the answer, still it will help you. Okay? So everyone, please do try. Do it now. Which formula will come here in application? चलो मैं formula बता देती हूँ. So potential difference dV is written as minus E dot dl. And this is the formula of potential difference between these 2 points where electric field is E and distance between 2 points is dl. Done. So here you will require the use of this formula. Now attempt it. Do it. You can send me answers on YouTube also, like there in the chat section, you can give your answers as well. That also I will check. Please, here I need answer of this question from many of you. I'm waiting. Come on, it means you people are not reading at all. Just the formula thing. Dekho, one thing let me tell you, knowing the formula is not enough. Unless and until you are not practicing question, you are not doing question, it's not going to help you. Okay? So doing question is the only way you can help yourself. JNB Aurangabad, it seems correct. Yeah. Very good. Everyone, please come on, yeah. Come on, come on. I just want to see how many of JNBs get it correct. JNB Simoga boys. Very good. Chalo. Till now, only two JNBs, Aurangabad and Shimoga. Third one, Chikbalpura. Okay, very good. I hope I'm pronouncing the name correctly. Yes, come on. Only three, only three. Come on, I'm counting more. Okay. One I got on YouTube in the chat section, and that is not correct actually. JB Bhavnagar, yes, correct. First, put your name on your account now, then I will be able to say who is giving the answer. Okay, that is class XA23. I can't understand the name now. Chalo, okay. So now let's do this question. Electric field is given. E is equal to 30x square. Done. Potential difference VA minus V naught, where V naught is potential at the origin and VA is at a distance this. तो चलो यहाँ पे एक coordinate system बना लो. This is O and this is the point A. And point A coordinate is 2, 0. We have to calculate VA minus V naught. Done. So let's use the formula. What is the formula? Formula is dV is equal to minus E dot dl. You just see here, displacement is along this direction. We are moving from O to A. So displacement is in I cap direction. And also electric field is in I cap direction. That is written as 30x square I cap. So angle between electric field and dl is going to be what? 0 degree. So minus E dl cos 0. That is 1. Now let's put the values. Value of E is 30x square. Displacement को dx ले लो क्योंकि displacement is happening in the x direction. Done. I'm not exactly writing displacement as 2 meter directly. क्यों? क्योंकि electric field is not constant at all value of x. Electric field is varying with x. So we will write dl as dx and then we will integrate to get the dv. तो यहाँ पे आप इसको क्या करो? Integrate करो. Now this integration everyone must be knowing कि x का power n dx का integration क्या होता है? X to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Use the formula. So here what you will be writing 30x cube by 3. Done. And x will vary from where to where? From O to A, yani ki from 0 to 2. And this is O to A. So VA minus V naught will be equal to how much? Here there was a minus sign. So aap yahan minus sign likh lo. This is minus 10x cube. X is varying from 0 to 2. If you're going to put the limit, you will get what? You will get minus 80 volt. So the answer is what? Minus 80 volt. That is C. C is your JNV Ahmedabad present. Okay. Okay, very good. Chalo. I need more presence of people. I just want to help you all here. I just want you all to be present on time so that we can help each other more and more. ठीक है? तो चलो ये क्वेश्चन है. Bring energy inside yourself. Again, I'm giving you 2.5 minutes of time. ठीक है? Not because the question is difficult. Just I'm giving you time. Read the question carefully. And this question is again very easy. And I hope you all will be able to solve it. I'm waiting for the answers. Do it. In case of doubt, you can ask me through chat section. You can raise your hand, whatever you feel comfortable. ठीक है? चलो. Those who have joined through YouTube, you can also send me answers in the chat section. Okay, I will be having look over that also. So no worries. Chalo, I got one answer. Okay. Bhavnagar, no. चलो फिर से ट्राई करो. हाँ, एक बार और ट्राई करो. देखो where you are going wrong. हाँ ना, तुमने क्या किया? हाफ हाफ कर दिया. Concept will be not that. I can understand your approach. The answer that you have given, according to that, I can understand कि आपने total charge calculate किया, फिर half up कर दिया. But that should not be the concept, ना? Class X A, the answer that you're giving seems correct. Yes. Good. JNV Simoga, JNV Chikbalpura. Yes. Very good. JNV Bhavnagar. Still. आप फिर से ध्यान से देखो. More answers I'm expecting. Come on, everyone. JNV Ahmedabad, JNV Kolhapur. Are you all here? Some names seems difficult. I can't pronounce, but I'm listening. I'm just having eye on everybody. Aurangabad, Kolhapur, JNV Vizag. सभी लोग बताओ. Okay, Vizag, Aurangabad. You need to check Vizag. It's good. Bhavnagar and Aurangabad. आप लोग check करो एक बार. So what will be the concept here? Let me take you through the concept. So actually, whenever the question is like there is one sphere, listen carefully. There is one sphere A, there is another sphere B. It has charge, suppose it has charge Q2, suppose. They are isolated. They are not isolated means they are, am I audible to everyone? JNV Panchmahal. Name is very beautiful. Am I audible? Okay, done. Thank you. So there are two spheres. One is A, another is B. They are having this charges. Isolated ka matlab they're very far away from each other. Now what we are doing, when they are isolated, just take one thing here. JNV Rajkot. Yes, correct. So यहाँ पे A का potential क्या होगा? If you are going to write the potential of A, if its radius is R1, you all know the formula of potential for a sphere on the surface, that is charge K into charge divided by radius. Similarly, potential on the surface of B will be how much? KQ2 by, if its radius is R2, then this will become R2. Okay, this is. Now their potentials are different. One's potential is V1, another is VB. VA and VB. Now what we are doing, we are connecting them together. We are bringing them together. So we have connected them through a conducting wire. JNV Dahod. Okay. चलो सभी अपना अटेंडेंस दे रहे हैं, सही है. So now we have connected. What will happen if we are connecting two things of different potential? So if suppose कर लो कि VA is greater than VB, so potential, if potential of A is greater than B, charge will flow from A to B, and charge will flow until their potential become equal. Done. So this is the concept. Charge will flow until potential will become equal. So suppose कर लो कि after connection, new charge that is on A is Q1 dash and new charge on 2 is Q2 dash. Done. So now what will happen? K Q1 dash by R1 should be equal to K Q2 dash by R2. Potential must be equal since they are connected. And also initial charge on 1 was Q1, 2 was Q2. So initial total charge was Q1 plus Q2. Final total charge is how much? Q1 dash plus Q2. And this is not going to change. है ना, क्योंकि चार्ज एक से दूसरे पे जा रहा है. It's not going anywhere else. So initial or final charges, sum of initial and final charges on both the sphere will be same. So first equation is this and second equation is this. JNB Ahmedabad. Yes, correct. So chalo, you need to apply that logic here only. So they are now connected by a conducting sphere. A long time after this done, charge on S1 and S2. तो आप क्या लिखोगे? हमारे पास एक स्फीयर था, इस पे चार्ज कितना था इनिशियली? 12 माइक्रोकूलम, and this was initially having a charge of -3 microcoulomb. Its radius is given as 2 by 3 r. Its radius is given as 1 by 3 r. Now what will happen? Now they are getting connected. So when they are connected, it is said that what is the charges on these two spheres. So what you will do? Suppose assume that after connection, charges on the sphere, this is Q1 and on this is Q2. Then first thing is Q1 plus Q2 will be equal to 12 plus -3. That is equal to 9. Very first thing. And second thing, KQ1 by 2 by 3R will be equal to KQ2 by 1 by 3R. So RR cancel होगा, Q1 कट कर रही हूँ, नहीं कट होगा, K कट होगा, 2 देखो 3 कट हो जाएगा. So Q1 will be equal to 2Q2. Now simply put the values. तो यहाँ पे Q1 in place of Q1 write 2Q2. So 2Q2 plus Q2 will become 9, and that is Q2 is equal to 3 microcoulomb. So 2 value is 3 microcoulomb. What will be the value of Q1? Q1 is equal to 2Q2. So Q1 will be equal to 6 microcoulomb. That is your answer. So the correct answer will be D. Okay, chalo. I hope it is clear. Anyone, if has any doubt, you can text me. Now let's do this question and do it very fast. I'm just giving you 1.5 minutes because ये question हमने class में भी किया है, एक बार और किया है. So I just want to check. तो जल्दी से करके बताओ आंसर क्या आता है. Let me know. Read the question, do it. Yes. JNB Simoga boys. Very good. Girls कहाँ गुम हो? I didn't get any reply from you. JNB गोंदिया, भावनगर, चिकबलपुर, औरंगाबाद, अहमदनगर, दाहोद, कोल्हापुर. Don't mind if I'm pronouncing it wrongly. It may happen. नाम दरबार. यार एक तो बहुत लंबा है, मैं पढ़ नहीं पा रही. JNB राजकोट. Sorry. चलो मैं प्रैक्टिस करूंगी पढ़ने का. More answers please, let me know. Okay. JNB कोल्हापुर नहीं. This is the simplest question you can get from electrostat that involves mechanics. ठीक है, simplest. JB Bhavnagar. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Others, please come on. Come on, do it. JB Panchmahal. और अदर्स लोग भी आ जाओ यार, आंसर बताओ. JNB Vizag. Yes. JNB Vizag. Okay. Done. Very good. Others, please. Bhavnagar. Yes. Kolhapur, you needed to check now. Check कर लो आप. और सारे लोग सो रहे हैं. I can't give you more time now. Kolhapur. Yes. So what the question is, there is a bob of a simple pendulum has mass 2 gram. There is a bob. It has a mass of 2 gram. It has a charge of 50 microcoulomb. And what is happening? Aurangabad, yes. So what is happening here now? There is also an electric field of intensity 2000 volt per meter. Okay? So this has a charge Q. Suppose electric field is in this direction. So if electric field is in this direction, force will also act in this direction because charge is positive. On positive charge, force acts in the direction of electric field, and on negative charge, force acts in the opposite of electric. So देखो, because of this electric field present, force will act on it in this direction. One force is acting in this direction, another force is acting in this direction. That is tension, gravitational force, and electrostatic force. Because of this horizontal and this vertical forces, what will happen to this pendulum? This pendulum will go somewhere here. Done. With vertical, it will make some angle theta. Now what you have to do? Simply now write tension force. Tension always acts away from the body along the string. So tension this. Now this is what? This is your mg. Okay, gravitational force. माइक्रोकूलम. इट वाज 5 ना, 5 है. हाँ, सिमोगा बॉयज 5 है ना, 5.0 है. डन. सो यहाँ पे देखो, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज दिस. नाउ if this is in equilibrium, if this is in rest, it means force acting in the vertical direction is 0 and force acting in the horizontal direction is 0. So net force acting in the vertical direction is how much? Let's break tension now. So tension का एक component ऊपर होगा T cos theta because this angle is theta, and here it will be T sin theta. So horizontal force is 0. It means T sin theta should be equal to QE and T cos theta should be equal to what? mg. You needed to calculate theta ना, तो यहाँ पे divide कर दो इन दोनों को, T कट जाएगा. Tan theta will be equal to QE by mg. Now put the value, you will get the answer, right? So the answer will be D. Okay, let's cover more questions. Kalki, very good afternoon. But इतनी late क्यों आई हो ये बताओ. Okay, so on your screen there is a question. I just want you to read this question. If you're not aware of distance of closest approach, I will discuss it. But again, I'm giving you some 1.5 minutes. Just think over this and do it. Distance of closest approach you will encounter in modern physics also. Okay, this is a very simple thing. That is why I have included the question. यहाँ पे यूरेनियम न्यूक्लियस है ना. टेक द चार्ज ऑफ यूरेनियम न्यूक्लियस एज 92 इलेक्ट्रॉन. ठीक है. नाउ लेट मी नो द आंसर. या फिर let me just tell you what here is the meaning of distance of closest approach. ठीक है. So there is an alpha particle of energy 5 mega electron. I suppose you are aware of unit of this energy, that is electron volt. What is electron volt? Electron volt is, suppose you have one electron and if you are accelerating through a voltage of 1 volt, JNB Simoga boys. नहीं, थोड़ा सा गलत जा रहे हो आप. थोड़ा सा कैलकुलेशन में मिस्टेक शायद है, शायद नहीं बिल्कुल है, बट आप नहीं गलत कर रहे होगे, ठीक है। सो 1 electron volt is what? 1 electron volt is the energy of an electron when accelerated by 1 volt, ठीक है। जेएनबी कोल्हापुर भावनगर, वेरी गुड। सो यहाँ पे देख लो 5 मेगा, यानी कि 1 electron volt इज द यूनिट ऑफ एनर्जी। इसको जूल में कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं? 1.6 into 10⁻⁻19 जूल। जस्ट फॉर द इंफॉर्मेशन आई एम गिविंग दिस, ठीक है, जस्ट फॉर द इंफॉर्मेशन। राजकोट, औरंगाबाद, यस। सो दिस इज दिस। नाउ हियर द एनर्जी वैल्यू इज 5 मेगा इलेक्ट्रॉन। It is scattered through 180 degree by a fixed uranium nucleus. तो अब आप क्वेश्चन को समझने की कोशिश करो। So क्वेश्चन कुछ ऐसा है, this is the uranium nucleus. It has a charge of 92 electron and there is an alpha particle. Alpha particle means helium nucleus. It has a charge of 2 electron. So it is moving. It is it is moving towards the uranium nucleus. And it is said that it is scattered through 180 degree. It means, देखो यहाँ पे हुआ क्या होगा? This is a positively charged. This is positively charged. Now, this uranium nucleus will repel alpha particle. So, if its initial velocity is v, suppose, as it will go closer, 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 its velocity will decrease क्योंकि this nucleus is opposing its movement, है ना? ये इसको repel कर रहा है, तो इसकी velocity क्या होगी? घटेगी। एक ऐसा टाइम, एक ऐसा पोजीशन आएगा जहां पे उसकी वेलोसिटी क्या हो जाएगी? 0। डन। एंड दैट डिस्टेंस ऑफ अल्फा पार्टिकल फ्रॉम द यूरेनियम न्यूक्लियस विल बी कॉल्ड डिस्टेंस ऑफ क्लोजेस्ट अप्रोच। हाउ क्लोज इट कैन गो, दैट इज योर डिस्टेंस ऑफ क्लोजेस्ट अप्रोच। नाउ यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट दिस डिस्टेंस। हाउ विल यू विल कैलकुलेट दिस डिस्टेंस? ये आर कैसे निकालो? डन। सो द क्वेश्चन इज very simple. Initial situation was what? Alpha particle was here and my uranium nucleus was here, ठीक है? And distance between them initially must be infinity because it's not given in the question. So let's assume it is infinity. Initial its energy is how much? Initial energy of the system, if I'm going to write, this is system of 2 charges, but distance between these 2 charges initially is infinity. So potential energy of the system क्या होगा? K Q1 Q2 by infinity, that is 0. So initially only the energy value will be, initial energy will be kinetic energy of alpha particle and that is equal to 5 mega electron volt something here ना, यहाँ पे 5 है, हाँ, done. Finally, when alpha particle is here, its velocity is 0 and it is at closest distance, that is R. तो फाइनली टोटल एनर्जी क्या हो जाएगा? काइनेटिक एनर्जी विल बिकम 0. नाउ दिस 2 चार्ज सिस्टम विल हैव पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. सो K into charge on alpha particle, that is 2e, charge on uranium nucleus, that is 92e, divided by distance, that is R. And here initial and final energy will be same क्योंकि force acting is a electrostatic force, that is a conservative force. तो यहाँ पे आप क्या लिखोगे? K into 2e square into 92 divided by R is equal to 5 mega, that is 10 to the power 6 electron volt. जूल में convert कर दो सबको. This. If you are going to solve this, again I'm not going to do this क्योंकि we are running out of time. We have to cover more concepts, but you need to just put the values and get the answer. So R का value क्या होगा? यहाँ पे कुछ 10 to the power -12 सेंटीमीटर के रेंज में आएगा। हो सकता है जेनवी स्कीम होगा, आप लोगों का जो आंसर आया था तुम्हारा वो शायद तुमने मीटर में लिखा है ना? एंड हियर द आंसर इज आस्क्ड इन सेंटीमीटर, तो सेंटीमीटर में वो 10 to the power -12 सेंटीमीटर होगा, मीटर में डेफिनेटली दैट विल बी 10 to the power -10, ठीक है? चलो, आई होप इट इज क्लियर. एनीवन इन डाउट इन दिस कॉन्सेप्ट? देखो कॉन्सेप्ट समझना बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. डन. मैं इसलिए क्वेश्चन को इस तरह से ले जा रही हूँ so that I can also explain a bit and then I can solve. Any doubt, anyone? All 18 people here on the Zoom and all 12 people there on the YouTube. किसी को कोई डाउट है? नहीं तो चलो, नहीं है तो फिर बढ़ते हैं. Again here I am giving you some seconds, less than 1 minute. जल्दी से मुझे आंसर सारे लोग चैट बॉक्स में बताओ और यहाँ पे भी कहीं भी चैट सेक्शन में बताओ, आई एम देयर टू रीड। जल्दी से आंसर बताओ एवरीवन। जेनवी लाथूर, ओके लाथूर काल की। अगली बार से प्लीज ज्वाइन ऑन टाइम, ठीक है। यस फास्ट। जेनवी भावनगर, यस। जेनवी राजकोट, यस यस यस, करेक्ट करेक्ट करेक्ट। कोल्हापुर, यस। जल्दी से आओ फास्ट सभी लोग। जेनवी आनंद, ओके यस करेक्ट। कम ऑन एवरीवन, कम ऑन। क्यों सो रहे हो? You just need to look at the question. Answer will be there. More, please. This is a metallic solid sphere. Metallic का मतलब कंडक्टर है। कंडक्टर के लिए इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का चीज, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड को ड्रॉ किया गया है। जेनवी सिमोगा बॉयज, यस करेक्ट। So you all know that electric field inside conductor is what? Zero. Always remember it. Electric field inside conductor is zero. And second thing, electric field on the surface of conductor is always normal to the surface. So first, second, third are wrong. Q. First thing ki they are entering inside conductor. Inside conductor electric field is what? Zero. It can't enter inside. So 1, 2, 3 तो ऐसे ही wrong हो गया. Fourth is correct because first thing it's not entering inside. And second thing, if you look at its direction, so it is normal. यहाँ पे अगर tangent बनाओगे, it will come as normal to the surface. अगर ये center है, तो center से ये direction क्या दिख रहा है? Normal दिख रहा है, ठीक है? So electric field inside conductor is zero, and also it is normal to the surface of conductor. चलो ये क्वेश्चन भी जल्दी से फास्ट, लेस देन 1 minute here also I am giving you all. Make resonance happen, yes, option D. लेकिन आप अपना नाम चेंज कर लो ना प्लीज। विद जेनवी जालना, दिस ऑल आर इन पुणे रीजन आई गेस ना। जालना इज अ गुड प्लेस आई गेस, ऐसे सारे प्लेस अच्छे हैं, बट आप अपना नाम चेंज कर लो यार। दिस इज टू बी मेक रेजोनेंस हैपन, है ना। जेनवी भावनगर, यस करेक्ट। जेनवी राजनगर राजकोट, करेक्ट। कोल्हापुर आनंद, it feels correct, yes correct correct correct. Jenvi Simoga boys Kolhapur, correct. Come on here on, सारे लोग आंसर करो। जेनवी सिमोगा पहली बार आंसर आया है, वेरी गुड। जागो जागो। जेनवी पंचमहल, yes correct. Others please. Aurangabad, yes I'm also from Aurangabad, but they're in Bihar. This is in महाराष्ट्र, है ना। चलो तो यहाँ पे क्या है? देयर इज अ मेटालिक सेल, दिस इज अ मेटालिक सेल, और चार्ज Q जो है दैट इज केप्ट इन द कैविटी. व्हाट विल बी द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड? सो दिस इज मेटालिक region, this is metallic region, charge is kept here, so electric field will come out of this charge, but this electric field will not penetrate the conducting region, क्योंकि कंडक्टर के इनसाइड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड नहीं जा सकता। इनसाइड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड क्या होता है कंडक्टर के अंदर? जीरो। बट दिस इज अ वैक्यूम रीजन ना, ये रीजन तो वैक्यूम वाला है, सो हियर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड विल बी देयर। इन दिस रीजन नो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, एंड अगेन इट विल कम आउट फ्रॉम द सर्फेस। आई हैव डिस्कस्ड दिस थिंग, I have discussed this thing, है ना, in the class. Cavity वाला thing I have discussed, so I won't go into detail. Yes, one more question there on your screen. Just try solving it. ठीक है, तो आप इसको solve करो, and I am giving again you less than 1 minute, क्योंकि इस क्वेश्चन को, इस तरह के क्वेश्चन को I have made you solve in the classes, previous classes. So just give me answer. Jenvi Jalna, okay. Option you're saying, I guess you need to check. JNB Buldhana, okay. JNB Buldhana, again you also need to check. चेक करो आप लोग। कोल्हापुर, यस, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, कम ऑन मोर पीपल। जेनबी आनंद, यस, करेक्ट। सिमोका, गर्ल्स, वेरी गुड, बॉयज, वेरी गुड। कम ऑन एवरीवन, कम ऑन। मैंने बताया है इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, JNB औरंगाबाद, ट्रू। In the direction of electric field, I have told you JNB पठान, यार मैं पठान ही पढ़ती हूँ इसको, JNB पठान, ऑप्शन बी, डोंट माइंड इट प्लीज। JNB चांगलन, ऑप्शन बी, यस, करेक्ट। ओके, मैंने बी बता भी दिया, अब तो सारे ही आंसर करोगे ना। पंचमहल, यस, करेक्ट। तो मैंने बोला था इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड पोटेंशियल डिक्रीजेस द शार्पेस्ट, पोटेंशियल डिक्रीजेस, डन। यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में क्या है, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड is along the positive x axis, then there is a point A on the origin, there is a point B on the x axis and its coordinate is 1 0, there is a point C on the y axis at a distance 1 meter, 1 centimeter or meter, whatever, ऐसा है कुछ, डन। So if you are going to draw the electric field ऐसे है, ठीक है, ऐसे। So A and C are at the same distance in terms of electric field, है ना? And as we will go away or as we will move towards the electric field, B is more towards the direction of electric field. So B will have less potential, A and C will have equal potential, VA equal to VC, है ना? क्योंकि देखो, अगर डायरेक्शन को मैं ऐसे यहाँ से डिनोट करूँ तो यहाँ से C का डिस्टेंस भी सेम है, A का भी सेम है, so VA equal to VC, but VA is greater than VB, क्यों? क्योंकि potential decreases in the direction of electric field, ठीक है, in the direction of electric field, done. So the correct answer will be which one? Correct answer will be done. Now this is a question you all must have gone through it, just a formula based question. Let me know the answer. I'm giving again you 1 minute. If you remember the formula, you will do it. JNB जालना, लातूर, जालना, तुम लोगों का आंसर गलत था यार, चेक करना है ना। चलो, I have got some answer. JNB आनंद, JNB सिमोका, yes. चलो कोई नहीं, नो नीड टू बी सॉरी। चांगलंग, थोड़ा सा देख लो ध्यान से, कुछ गलत हुआ है। कोल्हापुर चेक करो, सॉरी नहीं, JNB आनंद कोल्हापुर सभी सही हो यार। चांगलंग, JNB सिमोगा गर्ल्स चेक करो यार। JNB पठान करेक्ट। भावनगर, यस। राजकोट, यस। भाई बड़े ही सब समझदार हो। Chalo, so we are actually in the next class. I will discuss concept behind this. I will explain it, not just the formula I will give. I will explain it for some 1 or 2 minutes. That time I'm not having right now. तुम लोग थोड़े slow हो जाते हो ना, इसलिए time ज़्यादा चला जाता है. I was supposed to discuss more question, but I couldn't. But there is no worries. Tomorrow in the class I will discuss some 1 or 2 question from the potential, and mostly I will be discussing question from the capacitor. I will explain all the concepts that will come in use. Done. So please join on time. Dot on time. ठीक है, आज तो 5 मिनट ऐसे ही चले गए. Done. और 5 मिनट सबको ग्रीट करने में चला गया क्योंकि सब लोग लेट आते थे. ठीक है. So try coming on time. That will save some 10 minutes of hours. ठीक है. तो समय पे सब लोग आना. और कल के क्लास में कैपेसिटर बेसिकली वी विल डिस्कस. कैपेसिटर पे क्वेश्चंस. JNB Simuga. Okay, correct. So one more thing, वीकेंड क्लासेस जो है ना, तुम लोग को मैं बता दूं, कंफ्यूज मत होना, जो वीकेंड क्लासेस होगा, इन वीकेंड क्लासेस में वी आर ओनली सपोज टू डिस्कस क्वेश्चन। कौन से क्वेश्चन? तो उन चैप्टर से क्वेश्चन विच हैज बीन ऑलरेडी टॉट टू यू बाय योर सीबीएसई टीचर्स। ठीक है, तो तुम्हारे स्कूल में जो जो चैप्टर्स का डिस्कशन हो चुका है उन्हीं पे मैं क्वेश्चंस करूंगी। सिंस इलेक्ट्रोस्टैट यू मस्ट हैव स्टडीड वेल बिफोर, बट मैंने डिस्कस नहीं किया था, इसलिए आई एम डिस्कसिंग कैपेसिटर। कल होगा, सॉरी आई वाज डिस्कसिंग इलेक्ट्रोस्टैट, कल कैपेसिटर डिस्कस करूंगी। नेक्स्ट वीकेंड में we will be discussing current electricity and some questions from magnetic effect of electric current. ठीक है, so please everyone come prepared in the class so that we can learn more and more. Okay, JNB कोल्हापुर, हाय। चलो ठीक है, और मैं लेक्चर्स नहीं दूंगी क्योंकि टाइम से हम लोग ज्यादा जा रहे हैं। ठीक है, चलो बाय बाय, टाटा, टेक केयर। लेकिन हाँ, एक सेकेंड, लेट मी गिव यू सम होमवर्क। मैं नोट्स शेयर करूंगी, ठीक है? नोट्स कहाँ मिलेगा? गो टू द डिस्क्रिप्शन। डिस्क्रिप्शन कौन सा? यूट्यूब का जो वीडियो है ना, यूट्यूब पे ये वीडियो जहां मिलेगा उसके डिस्क्रिप्शन में जाना, वहां पे नोट्स लिंक है। सो गो टू दोस नोट्स लिंक, यू विल बी गेटिंग द नोट्स। एंड उस नोट्स में तुम्हें क्वेश्चन मिलेगा, 3 क्वेश्चन आई हैव एडेड फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस ईयर and 2 questions are from the NCERT. So total 5 questions are there as a homework. Please try completing it. ठीक है, तो तुम लोग इसको कंप्लीट कर। डन, ओके, बाय बाय, जेनवी दाहो, थैंक यू सो मच, वेलकम। चलो बाय बाय, टाटा, नाउ टेक केयर।